How to make a game pass in Roblox. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a game pass on Roblox. So let's get started. First of all, open any of the search engine, go to the search bar and type in Roblox and just press enter. So once you do so, you're gonna head over to the official website of Roblox. So you're gonna click on this one, that is www.roblox.com. And then over here, you gotta log in to your account. So you gotta simply click on login, or if you don't have an account, you can simply sign up. So once you have signed into your account, you gotta click on create over here, and then you will be redirected to this, that is create.roblox.com. That is the landing page. So you gotta click on create your hub and you will be redirected to this. So what you gotta do is simply click on creations over here at the left side. So simply click on creations and then you will be redirected to an interface that will look something like this. Now here you'll be able to see all of your experiences. So you're gonna click on this, any of the place, that is the default one, or you can also create an experience from scratch. If not, you can simply click on it. And then you will be redirected to a creation that is basically the default creation. And then you're going to scroll down and head over to the monetization section. So you're going to click on monetization. And over here, you're going to click on passes. So once you click on passes, you'll be able to see all of the passes if you have created. Right now, you haven't created any passes. So in order to create a pass, you're going to click on create a pass. And now here, you're going to upload any picture for the pass. Now this is the default image. You can click on change and upload any of the picture that you want. And now over here, you're going to set a name. For example, I'm going to type in something like gameplay or gameplay pass. And then you're going to type down any description for the gameplay pass. And then you're going to click on create pass. And now over here, you can see that my pass has been created. So you can simply click on it and review the changes if you want. And if you wish to open this creation, you're going to click on these three dots over here and click on open in new tab. And you'll be redirected to an interface like this, and this is basically your gameplay pass. Now if it is not available over here, you can simply try reloading your application, and if it's still not available, you can head over to your settings and then you can select over here, make it public. If the privacy is private, you can just make it public and your game pass would be displayed in front of everyone. So that is basically how you can create a game pass on Roblox. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.